Hey, it's Ivan here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook event. The event feature is a really unique feature where in your Facebook group, you can go to events and you can actually create an event and invite a lot of your members in and create some sort of a live webinar. So you click on event. The next thing, you can choose which one it is. In this case, it's an online event, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to do add event details, cover photo. And now I'm going to give it a name. Now, this particular event, I'm actually going to be interviewing one of my members of the membership, and it's going to be basically like a live podcast interview with Kristen Jones. And then you'll notice how everything gets added at the same time as I'm typing. So I'm typing right here, and things get added right here. Okay, so just note that that's what happens, which is really cool to kind of see the progress as you're building things out. Now I'm going to change the date, so it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be at 7 a.m. my time. I'm going to click on next. And then I'm going to click on, you can choose Messenger Rooms or Facebook Live and just have a read, get together in a video chat. People can join the room directly from the event page, schedule a Facebook Live and so on. In my case, I'm just going to schedule a Facebook Live, and then notice here, go directly to your event, start your live video. We'll remind you shortly. Before the event, only you can go live. Okay, so they just kind of give you different notes, you know what to expect and what it actually means. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is now we're gonna click on next, and now we're gonna give the event a description. Now the description I already got from Kristen from her, so I'm gonna paste it here. And what I'm gonna do is you want to upload some sort of an image as well. So the first thing is I'm going to put some information here. Now I won't bore with typing it up, so I'm going to pause the video so you can see when it's actually done. Okay, so now what I've done is I've typed a whole segment, basically, like a bunch of text. And this is what I did. So I just wrote a little bit of info about it, a message. You can pause and actually read what I wrote. And a little bit about a spiel about who I'm interviewing. Now I'm going to click on next. Now I've got an option to upload cover photo, which I've already uploaded. I already got it, and this is the one. And I wanted to show you how I've created it. So first of all, I'll upload it, and then you'll see what this looks like. It's called Facebook Event. So here you go. Boom. Now it's uploading, and I want to show you how I've created it, because this is really important. So this is really nothing fancy. You can see a whole bunch of old ones, and I'll actually include a template for this that you can actually use. So basically what you do is you click on Add Page, and you go to Templates. Now, in the templates, you will actually see there's a whole bunch of them, okay? This is a Facebook events template, so the sizing is the same sizing as a beauty YouTube thumbnail or a travel YouTube thumbnail or any of these, okay? So you can literally go and actually browse through the templates of this particular size and find something that you like. It really doesn't matter. You can click on this and then edit that, edit the text and so on. You can click down, edit this one, click another one. Maybe you want to create this one. If you've got a picture like this one, what you do is you delete and then grab your photo and upload it. So you can upload, for example, my photo as an example or whatever. Let's keep going. Go back to templates. Notice templates is right here, right? Really important. Did you notice that? And let's see what else do we have. This one, again, this could be also a Facebook event, gamer strategy. I mean, there's so many. Just go through and pick the one you like, okay? So there you go. That's how you can create it. You can delete this one. One other thing, you see how this one is actually, you see there's no background? Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to delete this lady, and I'm going to put my own photo, and then you put it right here. And then you want to click on Edit Image and remove Big Remover, and then it will actually remove the background from my picture. That's how that was done. This is just other hacks. If you want me, there's going to be additional training on Canva probably, like how to do Canva. So if you're interested, just let me know, and I'm happy to do a little tutorials on that too. That's about it. Once you've uploaded it, you simply click on Invite Your Friends, and you click on Create Event. Now notice here, this has now populated all the information. I'm going to click on Create Event. You can also see what this looks like on mobile, by the way. I don't want to touch it because it's already done. And there you go. Here's the event. Now what you want to do is you click on Invite, and you can click on Select All. And basically anyone that's not been invited, you can basically invite them further. Okay, so this is what you do. Select next. Let's see if I can invite any more. Select next. Send invitation. And now all these people are going to be invited. Now I'm going to click on invite again. Select all. Select next 2020. And let's see if they get invited. Facebook is intelligent enough that it won't actually invite everyone at the same time. Okay, there you go. So there's more invitations here. Send invitations. And there you go. Okay. Now what you do, you can click here. And you can actually copy this link and also send it to your email list and share it. So if you were to paste it here now, this particular link is going to send people directly to this particular event. So you can invite more people as well. And that's just a great way to get more people. Now you'll notice that I've invited 490 people now, which is great. I'm going to also send this to my guest speaker. And here it is. And see how it goes. So that's about it. Obviously, you want to continue to promote this in your different platforms and so on and so forth. I actually do my interview on Zoom. Basically, I have the person join me on Zoom and then I stream it straight in. This requires the webinar paid feature of Zoom. That's how I do mine. You could also use StreamYard and any other tools as you see fit. And you can just use Facebook Live directly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I just wanted to add that since recording this video, I have also used other tools to stream the different videos to my Facebook group. The primary software that I actually use is called Wave.video. And I've got a little comparison video between StreamYard and Wave.video, which is going to be somewhere around this video for you to check out as well. Originally, this video was actually recorded as an online course, but I've decided to use this video and post it on my YouTube channel for free, so it's available for anybody who wants to use these strategies to grow your audience online. If you don't mind subscribing to my channel, I'd really appreciate it, since this is a good way for me to get supported for creating more free content like this. So subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what other videos you want me to create, and I'd love to hear from you and how else I can support you in your journey online. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll speak to you soon.